Hello guys, today we're gonna play Dwarfs. I actually played this game a lot in the past, so don't worry about that. And I'm gonna solo it. I'm trying to beat it. Solo time. Don't think about the profile. You know what the heck these tips are? Don't care. Open. Let's go. But it can't be speedrun if I'm actually hit that much. They're just I'm gonna I think the next video will be a video we're gonna do for speedrun. Unedited. Unedited no more. Not even a speedrun. I can't even see the time. Let's go. Nope. Oh. Oh my. Bro. 3 dark rooms in a row, dude. Oh my, 4 dark rooms in a row. Are you serious? Oh god. Finally. A normal room. I know why these sounds are happening in the game. It's coming. Get in. Oh my god, how many dark rooms can be in this game? Please say nada. Thanks. Thanks for your patience. Okay. I don't know what going on in, so timer. It's not a speedrun. It's a normal game. I actually use an arrow at all. Oh. When can I open that? Nothing. Give me something. I'm always getting a lighter. No. I hear the thing. Okay. Oh. Yep, there it is. I'm gonna. Yes. Vitamins. It's probably the best item in the game. Vitamin is probably the best item in the game. Like, so useful. I'm not gonna beat the whole game. I'm just gonna play one time. I'm not even gonna use a revive. I used one to get back to my friend, and that was a little weird. I just get in the closet, and then again in the closet, I die. Somehow I rush. It's a better game. 3 seconds, please not. It's gonna be a dark room. Guys, come in. Get in. So when you hear it for long, you can hear a sound too. When he gets stuck in it, it's not a chase time. It's a normal time. Can you see me? Is that something? No. Oh. The eyes. Yeah, man. Oh, Dora has actually animation. Like cut this. That was gonna happen. I didn't know that for long. That's a little bit bad, you know. Hello, Seek. I know you can hear me. Yeah, you don't have a mouth, actually. I don't know how you... You have a mouth. Nope. Okay. Oh my god. I'm not scared of... Get out of town, bro. Okay, we're gonna get chased. Okay, we're gonna get chased. Boom, 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 boom. Get sound. Run. They're literally these things. I'm not gonna speak in English. I did hope I didn't look the good way, because there will be a chance that I could die right there. Can I lose something? I try to lose. This is 2 things in a row. That's actually really rare. It happens sometimes. You can't even when you open the door and get in or don't get in. When the door opens, right last part, I don't like dark rooms. My least favorite thing in the world. I think yes, probably. Luckily it's not locked. But that would be like searching for now. I don't like searching. It takes you some minutes, you know. Okay. It's all not 8.5 minutes. And I almost at the half. And the guys rush. Get in. You didn't go to the figures. I knew that was Timothy. I don't like Timothy that much. It just spawns out of nowhere and it just scares you. It doesn't scare me because it's not scary. I see a book literally right there. Dude, you ever get your classroom update or something? I'm crouching. Saw that dog. Can't trick me, bud. Oh, saw that. This guy is so. It's a little bit hard to beat him, but in one way it's not. Like, you think like, oh, it's hard. But you think like, it's easy. Like, really in the middle of the game. You don't know, actually. I don't know. I'm gonna wait until he comes. He's probably coming. Yep, get it. This is a safe spot. It can't get you. And right there, somewhere. That's probably more safe than this slot. Because he always comes through here. I'm scared when he like comes out of nowhere. They can't do anything for it. I see a book. I need to hear. I can't see. I'm not figure. Oh, wait. I'm going to the safe spot. See what the code is, boys. It's 4 I think. What the heck? Why there are so many 4s in this? I need to wait until he's gone, and I'm just gonna boost myself right there. Hey? No. Oh, he can hear you! Dang it! I didn't know he could hear you when you're, yeah. Okay, I just learned my lesson. And so, bye bye guys. Bye!